Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi A4. We struggle a lot. I spend a lot of time, and after that, we change AdBlue injector, and after that, we change AdBlue pump. So stay there, have a look this video. This video will longer than others, but you can take a good idea. You know what happened to this car? This car came with 350 miles countdown mileage. After 350 miles, car will not start. So we go step by step. We spend more time. We took it to the motorway 3 times. Finally, we success. Take a good idea. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Audi A4 2015 2-liter engine. Basically, engine management light on. Vehicle has a AdBlue countdown mileage. Yeah, today very frosty day. Yeah, freezing here. Ice. Anyway, nothing to do. Right, we'll see what we can do for this car. However, I will give the small introduction about this car. This car came before the new year, and I done the diagnostic, and there is a one faulty code for the AdBlue low or something. I'm not sure 100%. I'll go through with you. Then after that, what I did, I'll remove the AdBlue tank and took the sample. It's very smelly and it's contaminated. Low quality AdBlue was there. Basically, I flushed the tank and I'll refill with the good quality AdBlue and took it to the motorway and have a look what's going on. Still problem there, and vehicle has a countdown mileage. Have a look what happened to the car. Have a look what happened to the dashboard. It say AdBlue countdown mileage around 350 and engine management light on. So again, I got the scan report. You can see nice and clear report there, but only one problem here under the engine control module. P20E800 reductant pressure too low. Right, this is the problem at the moment. Because of this one, I'll flush the AdBlue tank, refill and took it to the motorway. No any difference. So next step, what I'm going to do, this is the common problem for the normally like these cars. I'm feeling this vehicle has a faulty AdBlue injector. However, I ordered the AdBlue injector. It's it on front of the engine. I'll show you. This is the man I'm talking. Yeah, basically this is AdBlue injector. It's like a kind of expensive injector. I already got the part from the VW group. I'll show you. This is the part I got from VW Volkswagen. I think this is the part number. I'm not sure. If you want, you can Google and find out. Very expensive. It's cost around £700 for this injector. Basically, this line for the AdBlue injector and this two line for the coolant. Right, then let's change it. Okay, it's not harder job. Basically, I'll show you. We need to squeeze in these two tabs. These two we need to squeeze in and just take out. Right, yeah, leave it out of way like this. Then after that, we need to remove this screw. It's Allen head. Then after that, we are going to remove. Once I remove, I'll show you. Right, yeah, we remove the old one. This is the old one, and make sure when you install these two, you can see tiny notch, it's need to sit on with the bottom exhaust nicely. Then after that, this is bit tricky, but make sure when you do with your steady hand, because if you drop inside, another additional problem. And also make sure when you remove this line, remove one by one, connect, otherwise you will lose in the coolant. But it's, I didn't lose any coolant, tiny drop, it's gone, nothing to do. Right, okay, engine bay job done. Now next step, I need to play with the computer. Right, I left it running half an hour. Now I'm going to switch off and start the car. Right, okay, still warnings there, no need to worry. What I'm going to do, switch off the car, ignition on, and try to play with the computer. First of all, I'm going to try to delete this faulty code. Yeah, it's deleted, but however, again I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Still message there. Right, no need to panic. Now I'm going to do 19 miles motorway journey and have a look what's going on for this AdBlue countdown message. Yeah, let's go to the motorway then. Welcome back to the channel. This is Audi A4. I took it to the good road test around 40 miles, but still AdBlue light not reset himself. Basically, even we can't reset from any computer. So I try as much best I can save customer money. Now I don't have any more option until we go and update software. Yeah, next step I'm going to do the software updating, because somewhere this software not right, then I need to do the software updating. Then hopefully after that it's fine. But however, unfortunately I'm not going to filming how am I going to do the software updating because of the security reason. But if you have any question about the software updating, please contact. I'll let you know what we done for this software updating. And also keep in your mind, software update mean we are not delete anything. We work as should be in the emission system. We are not take it off any parts, any system, any software from the AdBlue system, but we are going to repair. Because of that, repair mean repair, it's not deleting. Okay then, yeah, I'll come back to you after the software updating. Thank you. At the moment, head up for the Audi A4. Basically, I saw the pump occasionally working and occasionally drop down the pressure. After that, I done the software, even it's not okay with the software, still problem there. Then after that, I thought I'm going to change the AdBlue pump. Basically, we order from the main dealer. This is for the pump, the holding cap and the seal gasket o-ring. Also, we'll see what is inside this box. This is the pump. This is the AdBlue pump. If someone not seen before, this is the AdBlue pump. Yeah, we need to install new pump. When you're going to install, you need a like this special tool for remove this cap. You need a special tool like this for remove this cap. Yeah, once I install, I'll come back to you. Thank you. This is the updates for this Audi A4. I done the software. Then after that, we found the pump on and off work, and sometimes it's not work, it's not holding the pressure. It's working actually, it's not holding the pressure. So we change the pump. Now seems to me all good. Yeah, next step I'm going to do the another good motorway journey. Now 64 miles. I'm going to do the good motorway journey and have a look, everything okay. After the motorway journey I'll come back to you. Thank you. Just came back to the garage after the good road test, nearly 10 miles. No any funny warning light. Now I'm going to check with my computer any faulty code left for this problem. At the moment you can see engine control module green, no faulty codes there. Right, at the moment all nice and green, only one faulty code for EPS. We'll see what is in there. Yeah, terminal 3 open circuit. For the power steering, I'm not too much worried about that one. Then next step I want to check live data for pump, because that pump occasionally work. Then one point we identify it's 0.05 pressure. Then I want to check how is the now. Yeah, before you also this one sometime it's went to 0.05. Now at the moment 4.9899. Yeah, it's work as should be, because we change pump and the AdBlue injector. Yeah, I am happy now. No any funny warning code at the dashboard. Yeah, now another success job. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, any suggestion, comment section open for you.